Welcome to a world where candlelight dances on winter windows, where every ribbons and pine branches carries a memory, memories of love. Today I'm going to tell you a beautiful X-Mex story. A story about a boy, a forgotten craft, a magical star, and an X-Mex miracle that remind us what truly matters. So sit back, relax, and let the warmth of this tale wrapped around you like a cozy blanket. Let's start. In the tiny town of Silverwood lived a young boy named Ivan. Known for his bright smile and even brighter imagination, but this year X-Max felt different. His father had lost his job, his mother was trying her best, and the house, usually glowing with decorations, felt dim and quiet. One frosty afternoon, Ivan climbed into the old attic. Dust swirled around him as he opened a wooden box filled with old X-Mex things, broken ornaments, faded ribbons, and one curious thing, a handmade star, crafted from twigs, wrapped with thin thread of gold, delicate, simple, beautiful. Attached to it was a note in his grandmother's handwriting, where love is placed, light with follow, even held the star gently, an idea sparkled in his heart. Even Ivan decided to decorate the whole house using only handmade craft, just like his grandmother used to do. He gathered pine cones from the backyard, twigs from the old maple tree, leftover ribbons from last year. He worked quietly, folding, tying, gluing, making Christmas appear one piece at a time. A pine cone angel, a twig snowflakes, a garland made of dried oranges sliced and cinnamon sticks. Simple crafts but filled with love. And at the center of everything, he placed the delicate twig star on the front window. On the front window. That night, when his parents came home, tired and worried, they saw the warm glow of candles reflecting through the tiny handmade decorations. The house felt alive again. His mother whispered, "Ivan, you brought X-Max back." And Ivan smiled. "Grandma, say love brings light." The next morning, something magical happened. People walking by stopped to admire the little handmade star in the window. The town had become too busy, so rushed that many had forgotten the beauty of simple things. Ivan's craft reminded them. Soon, neighbors began making their own handmade decorations. Pinecone appeared on their doorstep. Windows glowed with the DIY snowflakes, ribbons, twigs. Every house started shining with creativity. The town felt connected and happy, and Ivan's twig star became known as the X-Max star of Silverwood. On X-Max evening, as the town gathered for the annual walk, snow began to fall softly, slow, silent, magical. The mayor approached Ivan's family and said, "Your son reminded us what X-Max is truly about. Not expensive gifts, not perfect plans, but love, shared simplicity, honestly, beautifully." Then something happened that Ivan would never forget. His father took his hand and said, "Son, I have good news. I found a new job and they want me to start in January." Ivan's eyes filled with tears, not because of the job, but because he realized something. His little handmade star, his simple craft, he had brought light back into his family. Before any miracle arrived, he had created the magic himself. And so the X-Mix star found its home not in the sky but in the window of a small house filled with hope. Xmax is not about how much we have, but how much love we put into what we give. A handmade crafts, a teeny gesture, a warm smile, a simple star. Sometimes these things shine brighter than the biggest decoration money can buy. This Xmax may you discover your own kind of magic. The magic of creating, the magic of sharing, and the magic of love, the light that lights every dark corner. Happy Xmas, happy festival. May your home full with love, creativity, togetherness, and many more you want to have in your life. I wish your home fulfilled with love, creativity, and many more togetherness. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you so much for being a part of this journey. And may your home fulfilled with love, creativity, and craft. So stay blessed. May your home fulfilled with shines, bright light, every dark corner of your home fulfilled with magic of love. Thank you so much for being here. I wish your home fulfilled with crafting ideas. Thank you. Stay blessed.